Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a rather interesting one because usually when I do a YouTube video, I know what the product is and the technical specifications, but today I don't even know what product it is. So of course it's a phone, but I have no idea that such a phone existed before buying it. So just a backstory like always in all these videos. So the other day I was just looking through eBay. I saw this, it was listed for $30 and it said XDA Atom Life, which the box was just there. The seller put in the description that this is a brand new phone and it has not been used. So I was kind of curious because firstly I've never heard of this phone. Second of all, this phone is sealed. So I thought $30 is actually a good deal for a sealed phone, which is probably old because I saw this box and it was really thick. So I thought I'll make a move for this. But before that I asked the seller and the seller actually said that the phone was not used but it has been opened and charged once in the past year. Other than that, the seller said that even the top plastic has not been opened. And now after a few weeks, the phone has arrived at the studio here and we're going to unbox it together. So like I said, I don't even know what model it is, so we're going to take a look at it together. Let's go. So here's the phone and of course it's in this box. So let's take a look at it. It says XDA Atom Life and it has oxygen here. O2 oxygen. I have no idea why. And now let's flip it. Special features, surround sound, 3.5G. So this is a 3G phone and 2 megapixel camera. Okay, all that done with macro mode. Wow, that's cool. Macro mode. You gotta highlight that. Okay, so it was import date June 8, MRP of 21,888. So this was definitely not in the US or Singapore. Okay, so apparently this phone is from India, as you guys can see it. So now let's turn the box around, and here is just the phone sides. And now let's turn this around. I had to blur this part because it was the IMEI. And okay, so what does it have? Okay guys, so this is actually a Windows phone. That's cool. Here it says Windows Mobile. So this is actually a Windows phone. Wow, I didn't really know about it. So before we continue to do this unboxing, since we saw that this is a Windows phone, so I thought I'll make a quick Google search and see what this phone is, because I honestly have no idea about this phone because I've never seen a Windows phone in my life. So I did a quick Google search and I found out that this phone was launched in January of 2007. So its operating service is Microsoft Windows 5.0. So now we know that this phone was made and released back in January of 2007. That's around 14 years now. So this is a 14-year-old phone, really vintage, and especially to be in its original box, that's really cool. So now with that done, let's get into the unboxing. So with the technical specifications and everything seen, so now let's take a look at the phone itself. Let's open it. It's actually a magnetic flap here. So just open it. Here's the phone. As you guys can see, it's still in its original wrapper. Okay, so there's this pull tab, so I'm just pulling this pull tab to take out this phone. Here's the phone, and as you guys can see, the sticker for the camera itself has not been opened, except for this sticker. This has been tampered with. So now let's put this aside. This pull tab to take out this phone was actually on the cardboard and not on the phone itself, so I thought it was on the phone. That's really nice of Microsoft to think like that back in 2007. So now let's take this out. We definitely have a lot to cover, so let's pull this out. After I took this out, there's this box, so we gotta take a look at that, but let's put that aside for now. What do we have here? A few boxes. What does this say? Battery, stylus, stereo headphone, and mini USB. Does that mean that the battery is taken out? I'm not really sure, but let's see. Okay, so this is plastic here, and there's a stylus inside here. So the headphones has never been opened before, so I think I have to put this in the phone later. That's it, we're done. There's no battery inside. Now onto this big box here. It says quick start guide, user manual, and CD and local warranty. Now let's open that. Opening this, we have a bunch of things here. Firstly, let's take out this. Okay, XDA Atom Life quick start guide. Congrats. Oh, it's in different languages, the two of the buttons. And what do we have here? Limited warranty statement. I'm gonna apply a warranty. Let's go. What does it say? So I just read the warranty statement and it says I have a 12-month warranty. I'm gonna apply that. I'm gonna apply that after this video. I'm gonna get my 12-month warranty for my phone. What else do we have here? Oh, so we have a Windows Mobile CD. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do with this. The sticker has never been opened. So this is a sealed trial product key. So this is Microsoft Office 2007 trial. We have a trial for Microsoft Office. Of course it's expired, but this is brand new sealed from 2007. This is a piece of history and I'm not going to open it or tamper with it. So let's take the manual booklet out. By looking at this, I think the manual booklet and all these guides were never opened. I think this is the first time opening it, so we are done with that. Now let's open this box here that was underneath the phone. Here it says universal adapter. This is probably the charger. Let's open it. Okay, so what do we have here? This is all the power supply, and it actually has these different pins to suit different countries if you're traveling. So we're going to use it for charging. Done. That's basically it for the contents of this box. Now let's put them aside. With that done, now we are at the phone. So here's the phone, and firstly, before I remove this wrapper or this piece of history, we are going to take a look at the ports as usual. Here there's some, what's this? Okay, so this is probably a expansion slot, power button, and what's this? This is cool. What's this? Let's take. Oh, okay, so this is the stylus. Okay, so apparently the stylus that we saw just now was a replacement in case we lost the stylus. Here there are two buttons. Okay, so these are probably the volume rocker buttons, and here we have the headphone jack at the bottom, and whoa, the charging is actually mini USB. I wasn't expecting this. I was actually expecting the Android pin to come. And what do we have here? Oh, so these are the volume rockers or what? I'm not really sure. And here it has O2 engraved on it, designed for Windows Mobile. And as you can see by this bag can be opened. So we're gonna open it. So let's put it like that. Let's open it. And here we have the battery. This is actually really surprising that the battery hasn't bloated yet in all these years. That's really a good sign. Now let's take this battery off and see what's underneath. Okay, so here we have our SIM card here. Of course I have to blur this because this is all the IMEI, and it says XDA Atom Life. So now let's put this battery in. I actually like this battery a lot due to its color. This is really cool. So I'm just gonna put it back inside the phone. Now with the battery back in place, let's just slide the back in. Now let's take this wrapper off. I really like the display, so it's quite nice. Let's see if it's openable. Oh no, these are the only buttons. I thought you can just slide it up like all these Sony phones, but you can't. So now let's turn this on. So I just saw this power logo here, so this should be the button. Let's turn this on.
2 hours later.
The phone isn't turning on. Let me just go and charge it, and we'll get back to the video.
1 eternity later.
So now I've charged the phone. Of course I didn't charge it fully because I'm just going to use it for this video, but I'll definitely charge it to 100% after this video. Let's turn this on. There you go, screen lights up, device booting. This looks like some developer menu. Okay, O2 welcome. This screen is too reflective. I gotta put it like this for you guys to see. Wait for this boot up. Okay, we got a yellow light. There we go, Windows Mobile. Okay, so now this phone has booted up. Now let's see. So it's asking for my name, address, telephone number, and email, which I'll set up later. So I think I'm just gonna skip. Okay. The screen has a plastic layer on top, so I think just to be safe, I'm gonna use this stylus because I don't want to scratch the screen or anything. So okay, so here we have the date is Monday, January 1st of 2007. Of course, this is a wrong date. I got to change that later, but not now. So I think I'm just gonna click this start. So let's click. Okay, so the phone was locked just now, so I just unlocked it. Let's click start. What do we have here? Office work, calendar, contacts, Internet Explorer. Cool. So if any of you guys are using Internet Explorer in 2021, do leave in the comments below because I'm really curious to know. What do we have here? Messaging, phone, and some games, self-diagnostic, setup, Windows. That's it. Settings. What else do we have here? It says phone is off. Wi-Fi is also off. That's okay. Bluetooth is on. Okay, so these are my mails and everything. Oh, so here's Bluetooth. I think I'm just gonna turn it off. Okay, Bluetooth is turned off. Oh wow, it actually says how many kilobytes of data I've used. Okay, so this is the back camera, and now onto the front camera. Let's turn it around. How do you turn it around? This is funny. We can actually add some filters for this. Main battery is exhausted. Device will shut down in a few seconds. No. The device battery is gonna shut down. So this is it. And now I think we can turn the camera around. I just want to explore this phone with you guys, but I'm not able to because I just let it charge for 10 minutes and I had to shoot the video because I don't want to take a lot of breaks in between. Because if I'm going to charge this phone to full, then it's going to take about a few hours, and that will not really be that productive because I'm actually shooting this video at night. So now it's 1:36 a.m. and I'm shooting this video, so I can't really wait that much because I gotta go and sleep. Yep. So yeah guys, so wasn't really able to explore this much, but if you guys want a separate video on exploring this XD Atom Live, then do leave it in the comments below. I'll definitely do another video. So just going through every single feature, going through the camera and everything, all the games. So I'll just charge it to full and we'll test a lot of stuff. Not really benchmarking, just exploring this phone. So if you guys want that video, do leave it in the comments below or just click the like button to let me know that you want that video. So yeah guys, that's the unboxing of the Microsoft XD Atom Live phone. I guess this is a really cool addition to my collection of phones and gadgets here. So of course I'll definitely keep it. But of course, like we have seen here, this phone isn't actually sealed. This phone is not a full set, but the phone has never been used as we can see, but this isn't really a full set because when we opened it, we could see that some of the accessories were missing. This really isn't considered a new phone or sealed phone, but apparently the phone is new, but just that the box and everything has been opened and tampered with or used. Well, of course, this is definitely a sort of a scam, but I guess it's just $30 and I got a new phone, a sort of new phone. So I guess this isn't really a big deal for me. But just do remember that if you're buying off eBay, just be really careful about these sellers because sometimes you may get scammed. But of course they are really good deals too, just that some of them are shady. So yeah guys, I hope you guys have liked this type of unboxing of just retro techs. Recently I've been doing a lot of retro tech content recently, so I hope you guys liked it. So if you guys like this video, do remember to click the like button and do remember to click the subscribe button below to show your support for the love of tech. With that, thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.